it on his back, then rolls it over back to the center. Struggling out the entire time. Aaron is one of the top helicopter pilots in the world as he expertly demonstrates the aerobatic capabilities of this phenomenal helicopter. Aaron is an air transport pilot, helicopter rated with over 9,000 hours. His flying career has been mainly focused on the film and television industry. Flying well over 100 different productions, he's also flown in various other capacities as utility flying in mountainous terrain and offshore support. He's flown in flight test programs for NASA and Lockheed Martin. He was the aerial coordinator for several aviation projects that broke world records, most of those associated with the Red program. Look now as Aaron takes it high, show center. Using the wind and the helicopter, he flies backwards and rolls it over with a beautiful backflip. My good friend Miles Dasher, he jumps out of that helicopter and joins me on the stand, says, "Woohoo! That was amazing." And Aaron, I gotta tell you, I know he's smiling in there, Luke, from ear to ear. We probably can't contain the smile inside that helicopter right now. Aaron is just having fun. And when he's not flying the Red Bull helicopter, doing what you see here with the very tight inside loop to your left, he also flies UH-60 Blackhawks, helping out with firefighting in the western U.S. Here you see the expert Aaron Fitzgerald in his beautiful Vocal 105 helicopter. Now watch Aaron as he continues to demonstrate this phenomenal helicopter. These helicopters are built primarily for police and military applications. They're used throughout the world. The fleet globally has flown over 8 million flight hours, if you can believe that. 1,400 of these type aircraft were built in Germany and Canada. And here you see Aaron expertly demonstrating this Canadian model running here today. Now watch as Aaron circles here to the show center, climbs high into your left, yet continuing to demonstrate things that helicopters, quite frankly, most of us didn't think could do. There's only a handful of pilots in the world that could do this right here, nose over to the front, all upside down on the rotor disc, right back. While Aaron flies his beautiful Red Bull helicopter high to the right. Helicopter is only 39 feet long, which allows it to nose over just like that, upside down on the rotor disc, and roll back to right side up. We talked about the applications to police and military forces. The aircraft can be armed with missiles and or machine guns for those applications. But here it is, expertly configured to be part of the smallest backflip in the world, right here, Mr. Aaron Fitzgerald. As Aaron begins to near the end of his routine, the Red Bull Air Force wishes to thank EAA Air Venture Oshkosh 2023 for the opportunity to fly here this week. Aaron's been a tight sort of in that tight spiral there in show center. But here is his signature wave to you, the fans of EAA Air Venture. There it is, the bow, the wave, the thank you from Mr. Aaron Fitzgerald. Oshkosh Air Venture 2023, let's give it up for Aaron and the Red Bull Vocal 105. Wow, dude, that is just something. Aaron does things in that helicopter that